Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another tutorial. In the last tutorial we looked at purchasing your own domain name, your website hosting, and we finally installed WordPress to your server. So right now you should have a website that looks something like this. This is the default theme that comes with WordPress. So if we scroll through it, it doesn't look like much. So we're about to fix that. So what we first have to do is go to a website called ThemeForest. So it's themeforest.net. And if you don't want to do the search-ins for the files yourselves, I'll just put a link to the file we need for this tutorial. So the theme we're going to be using is something called Enfold. Now Enfold is, I think, either the first or the second most popular WordPress theme that you can use. So if we click on Enfold and scroll down, we'll see that it's been downloaded over 144,000 times. So it's a massive theme. All you will need to do is click Buy Theme, click here, and it's going to cost you $59. Right, so right now you've paid for your hosting, your domain, and finally you're going to be paying for this theme. After this, there are no additional costs. So like I said, this would cost you thousands if you went to a web development agency. So for less than $59, say less than $100, you're making a professional WordPress theme for your business, and it'll look great. So right here you can see you can extend the support on this item for $17 for 12 months. It's completely up to you if you want to do that, guys. I'll leave that up to you. So go to checkout. So you'll first need to create an account. So put in your first name, your last name, and your email. Click the next button, you'll put in your billing details, and then if you select your payment method, you can either do it by one of the many cards, or I think you can also pay by PayPal. But be aware, I think there is a charge if you use PayPal. So once you've done all of that, you will be taken to your downloads area. So if you lose your file, or you delete this website in the future, you can come back, you can download Enfold, and you can use it again. So when you see that screen, all you have to do is click on next to the Enfold information, click on download. A little screen will pop up and you will have to select WordPress files only. That's what you need to click on. Once you've done that, we can head back over to our site and install the theme. So if you get stuck on this part, guys, simply just leave a comment below and I'll try and help you the best I can. So once you've downloaded the WordPress file, we'll need to log into our website. So my domain is allpics.co.uk. What you will need to do is write in your domain name and then WP admin. And this will take you to the WordPress login screen. So put in your username and your password. I think mine is Frank admin, and I hope this is the right password. Yes, great. And you will be taken to a screen that looks like this. Now yours may be slightly different because I've previously logged in and I've deleted some of the stuff which we don't need. It doesn't matter. So what firstly you will need to do is go to appearance and go to themes. And here's a list of themes that we currently have on our system. So you have the 2017, 2015, and 2016. So these are default WordPress themes. So click the Add New button. And under this section, there's some free themes here which you can use to make your own website. But to follow along with this tutorial, you will need the Enfold theme, which I pointed out in the screen. So click the upload theme and then find where you downloaded the Enfold theme to your computer. So for me, this was on YouTube, my folder called YouTube, sorry, and drag the Enfold theme over. Next, click the install now button. And it'll take a little while to install this theme, so be patient with this. So at the bottom you can see it was like 97% complete. So now you can do a live preview and activate or return to the themes page. Click on activate, and Enfold will then be enabled on your website. Okay, so this is the Enfold settings page, and you can go here at any time. If you go over to this navigation and navigate down to Enfold, and we will be doing a lot of the styling in this section. But first we need to create a home page. So go to pages and click add new. Okay, this is going to be the main page, and you know, the only page for this because it's a one-page design. So this is going to be this page. So we'll need to create it first, so let's dismiss this a minute. Name this page the home page, and we don't need to put anything in here yet or click on the advanced layout header. We will do that in a little bit. So click publish. Make sure you click this, otherwise Enfold won't know this page exists, because technically it won't. And you can go to view page here. So now this is the default Enfold homepage. This is a page we just selected. So let's go back, or you could have gone to the menu and come to dashboard. So what you need to do now is go back to the Enfold settings like we agreed earlier, and the front page settings here, change this to home page. And where do you want to display a blog? Well, on this website we won't be having a blog, so this can be left blank. If you had another website which you did want to display the blog on, you'd simply need to go to pages, add new, call it blog, and then find that page here. But as it is, we can leave it blank. Click on save all changes, and now if you go to visit site, I'll open this in a new window. We can see now that if we type in our domain, this is the default address, or the default page that will be shown. Beforehand it was something like index.php and then homepage. So that's the URL before, but now setting it as our homepage, we just see this, and obviously this is what we want. We don't want our users having to go through a complex URL to get to our homepage. So that's how you install Enfold on your WordPress website. In the next tutorial, I will show you exactly how to style your website, or put in the building blocks so we can begin creating this page. So if you've liked this tutorial, please give it a like below, and of course don't forget to subscribe to this channel, so when the new videos come out in the future, you can carry on creating your own website for your restaurant. And of course guys, if you have any questions, I know this can be a bit intimidating when you're first starting off, please put them below and I'll try to answer the best I can. Once again, thanks very much, and I hope to see you in the next video.